Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just had a crazy idea. I filmed 2 videos today and I had a crazy idea to film a 3rd video. I was sitting down eating my lunch and one of my favorite channels I was watching on YouTube, Style Mom XO. The lady who has this channel, her name is Kimberly. She does amazing speed cleaning videos and she is actually the originator of the speed cleaning videos and she's the speed cleaning queen. She just uploaded a video called Real Time Clean With Me where she's actually cleaning in real time with no time lapses or anything sped up, and I've always wanted to do one of those and I thought, why not? I'm here, I've got time to do it. So I thought I would do a real time clean with me, but I'll do like a real time speed cleaning video. And I'll probably do it for 15 minutes because I want to do at least 10 minutes of tidying, but I need to allow time to like move the camera around the house and set it up and that kind of thing. So a bit of lost time there. So I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes, but it's more or less going to be 10 minutes. I'll also link Kimberly's channel, Style Mom XO, down below. Go and check it out if you haven't already. She, seriously, like I said, she's the speed cleaning queen and I absolutely love her videos, so go and check her out. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of decluttering, organizing and cleaning videos, and I'm trying to become more minimalist. So if that is what you're interested in, please click on that red subscribe button below and join my YouTube channel. So right now I've got 15 minutes and we're gonna go.
Despite the loss, I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow and me are one. You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Oh, oh, I can't get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, 'cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? I'm standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, but my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat, keep on moving to the drums now. I follow your heartbeat to the ending of the ocean. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away.
Okay, so that was an adventure. I got most of the folding done. Most of that's actually hubby's socks. Hubby's and mine socks. So I got the 2 lots of washing done, made a couple of beds, didn't get any vacuuming or actually cleaning done, but I did stack the dishwasher. And yeah, not bad for sort of 10 to 15 minutes, probably about 12 minutes. 12-13 minutes all up when you discount the time it took me to set up the camera and stuff. But yeah, not too bad. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go and check Kimberly's channel as well. I love watching her speed cleaning videos, always motivates me. Leave me a comment down below if there is anything else you'd like to see on my channel, or if you want me to make more of these real-time speed cleaning videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!